If you don't know me, my name's Pickle and this is my 1998 Toyota Chaser that I'm going to be doing a little build process on. Today I'm going to be rolling the guards because I got some new rims and tyres that are hopefully going to fill out this bodgy fitment and make it look a lot nicer. I might even lower it a little bit, but today's goal is to get the guards rolled so I can fit the new wheels and tyres. These wheels currently sit in a fair bit and they just don't fill out the guard super well, so I'm gonna go bigger rims, smaller sidewall and a bit of stretch to fill it out hopefully.
Time to chock the front wheels and get this thing up on jack stands. There goes number one, number two, and then we'll give it a safety wiggle test. Now let's crack all these lug nuts and get the wheel off and get into it.
Alright, I've only actually rolled guards once before and it was on my last Crusader I had, and that was probably 4 or 5 years ago. So I guess we'll just jump in, use a blowtorch, use a heat gun. I think you're meant to heat it up a bit and then roll, heat gun, and just vice versa until you've got it to where you want it. So yeah, I mean, hopefully it all goes well. I think that's on there pretty good. Take the handbrake off so I can spin the wheel and let's try this. All right, now I actually forgot to show you what I'm gonna be doing if you don't know about cars at all. So I'll quickly show you the little bit of metal that I'm gonna be rolling over. So here's your guard, and then up in here, this bit through here, we're gonna roll that flat so that the tyre can sit more flush up in here. I'm actually just gonna grab a brush and like brush all the stuff out of here because I don't want to squish dirt in there. So I'll do that now before it starts actually folding up.
Now I'm pretty much happy with how the guard is looking, so let's go ahead and take this off. And it was right now that my microphone actually died. I don't know what happened there, but got the first corner done, so now I'm just going to go around the rest of the car. And if you're keen to see what rims and tyres I've gone with, then stick around to the end of the video and you'll be able to see the new fitment and the new wheel and tyre setup. Now let's crack on to tyre number 2. Alright, wheel off and under the car just for extra bit of safety. Then I had a quick break for lunch and back into it. Let's pump this second guard out.
You can see it's tucked in way tighter than it was before, so I think it's time to go around, do the fronts, and then let's chuck these rims on and see how it looks. Three corners down, one to go. Let's get it done and then have a look at it. That took a bit longer than expected, but all done now. And let's throw this last wheel on and have a look at the new fitment. Alright, I just went around and torqued up all the wheels. Now let's have our first look at it. Have a go at that. The fitment is so much better than before. It's really filled out the guards. I'm loving the look of it. Especially the rears, they look so good. So they're pretty much copy and paste Chaser specs. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 22 with a 235 40 18 on them tyre. I reckon it was absolutely the right move. Looks so much nicer. Sheesh. Yeah. I'm absolutely stoked with it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll have another video coming out soon. See ya.